the next team, isilaynay ang second runner-up last year, 2024. So, hindi man magpaperte ng pagpulihin ang barangay Bulilao. Headed by the SK Chairperson, Honorable Michael John Tameses, punong barangay Jem Rohol, and their captain boy, Aldrin Villanueva.
Let us give them a big resounding applause.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give this moment to the barangay wearing pink jerseys. And now, let us have Barangay Kalahunan, headed by their SK Chairman, Eddie Ruderogo. And also their punong barangay, Honorable Loyalty Katin, and their captain ball, Kurt Patrick Tagana. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a resonating applause to Barangay Kalahunan.
Thank you so much. And now let's welcome the grand entrance of Barangay Dumon Sisa, headed by the Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman, Dayan K. Adelante, and punong barangay Cap Adelante, and with their captain ball, Alexi Villanueva. Wearing a black and gold jersey and warmer.
Headed by their SK Chairperson, Aris Delia Gracia, with their captain ball Christian Idelema, and punong barangay Rosler J. Paredes.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give this stage to Barangay Hibawan Norte, headed by their Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman, Roxanne Nessie J. Bilbao, their punong barangay, Honorable Ariel A. Mirar, and their captain ball, Eugene Angelo Baran. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to Barangay Hibawan Norte.
And now let's welcome with their grand entrance from Barangay Hibawan Sur. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give them a big resounding applause. Headed by their Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman, Jason Octavio, punong barangay, Rodlin Gallinero, and with their captain ball, Keith Jared Sano. Everyone, let's welcome Barangay Hibawan Sur.
Now, for the grand entrance. Barangay Navaes, headed by SK Chairperson Honorable Claire Sevilla Yudelmo, Punong Barangay Jim Christopher Kapalihan, together with their Captain John Aaron Padol.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give this moment to Barangay Oñate de Leon. Headed by their Sangguniang Kabataan Chairperson Honorable Maika Sabalde. And also their Punong Barangay headed by Honorable Gino Piñon and their Captain Ball, John Benedict Hap. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to Barangay Oñate de Leon.
The spectacular entrance of Barangay Bali Benedicto. Headed by their Sangguniang Kabataan SK Chairperson Honorable Ken Jonas Gonzalez and Punong Barangay Honorable Alan Suarez and with their Captain Ball Gerald Sugino.
And now, for our next barangay, they are housing composed of two barangays, PHHC Block 22 and PHHC Block 17. Our Block 17 is headed by our SK Chairperson John Barrett and Punong Barangay Miss Chu. And our PHHC Block 22 is headed by our SK Federation Montreal President Honorable Rexy Angela Lopez and Punong Barangay Robert Richard H. Pilar and Captain Ball Julius Levente. Please give them a round of applause.
And for the information of everybody, the composition of two barangays has been agreed by the SK Federation of Mandurrio District, which the Barangay PHHC Block 17 and Block 22 will be merged. And now they're called as Team Housing. Thank you very much.
Let's welcome this amazing barangay. Everyone, let us give a big resounding applause to the entrance of Barangay Q. Alberto Mirasol. Headed by their SK Chairperson Honorable Jewel Canes Silva and Punong Barangay Ramona Amorosa and her Captain Josh P.L. Buenavista.
Also, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our Barangay Kagawan. Gari sa aming subong, Honorable Lee Marvin Ritan, Kagawan Raquel Velasco, and Honorable Leo Fernandez. And also our barangay, ever supported Barangay Treasurer, Angeli Amolit. Thank you very much. And also our Barangay Secretary, Daisy Velasco. Thank you very much for gracing with us today.
there supporting the SK Federation.
Gentlemen, let's continue. Our next barangay is from Barangay San Rafael. Headed by their Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman, Honorable Carl Vincent Escalera, and their punong barangay, Honorable Albert E. Tianio. And their captain ball, we have Nash Ivan Cordova. Ladies and gentlemen, from Barangay San Rafael.
And now, for the grand entrance, let's welcome Barangay Santa Rosa. Headed by their SK Chairperson, Honorable Kenneth Biforma, together with their punong barangay, Honorable John Ray Ordinas, and with their captain ball, Mark Lester Tabilia.
It's your turn, Barangay Buhang Tacnor. Patinay Dabakan. Headed by their SK Chairman, Honorable Peter Agneta, and their barangay captain, Honorable Wangwang Montelibano, and their captain ball, Jerry Kyle Santander. Ladies and gentlemen, Barangay Tabukan.
Rising Barangay Tacnor Buhang, headed by their SK Chairperson, Honorable Cyrene Roy Lumudang, and punong barangay Napoleon Militar, and with our captain ball, Elimar Innova.